Hello guys, and welcome to another video in the series of Linux tutorials. In this video we are going to look at how we can create directories in Linux. We will also look at how we can create multiple directories at once. So let's begin. So first of all, I will open my terminal with Ctrl Alt T shortcut and then Ctrl Shift plus to zoom it a little. Okay, and currently I am inside my user home directory, right? So I'll go to the documents, and then inside currently there is no file or no directory exists, right? So I'll clear it, and currently I am inside documents, right? Now to create a directory we use the command mkdir. Okay, and let's say the name of the directory is directory1. Okay, then I press enter, and after that you will see a directory is created. All right, now let's say that you want to create multiple directories, then you can write mkdir, then directory2, let's say, and then directory3. Okay, let's try to make another directory4. Okay, so you can also use this to create multiple directories at once, right? Then if you do the ls, then you will see 4 directories has been created. Okay, now let's say that you want to create one directory inside dir1 and another directory inside dir4. Okay, so we can do mkdir, then we can specify the path. So dir1, inside dir1 I want to create a directory, let's say dir12, right? So it means that inside the directory 1 create another directory with the name dir12. Okay, similarly if I want to create another directory inside directory 4, then I can write, I'm creating multiple directories at once, so I can write dir4, inside it I want to create, let's say dir41. Okay, press enter, and now if I see what is inside the dir1, then you will see another directory with the name dir12 has been created. Okay, similarly let's say I want to check what is inside the directory 4, then you will say a directory with the name dir41 has been created. Okay, if you want to confirm it, then you can use your graphical method, go inside your home and then user and then documents. Okay, you will see 4 directories that we created earlier has been created, and inside directory 1 we have another directory, right? Then we can use, like, we can create files also using the touch command. Okay, so this is how we can create multiple directories at once. We can also create directories inside directories. Okay, so that's all for this short video, and I hope you like the video. If you have any doubt, please comment it down. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.